This is a video response to Angry Birds Star Wars movie release. I'm going to put Bible verse up because you might as well read the Bible instead of while I talk. I don't think this Angry Birds game and Star Wars, we all agree it's extremely violent. It's about murder, killing other people, killing other things, and Moses said not to murder other people. I will say that Star Wars has some element of truth. You know, some of the characters possess some Christian attributes of maybe loyalty or self-sacrifice, love. Darth Vader's a very good representative of human nature, that we just seek wealth, we're just greedy. Yeah, the power of darkness versus the power of light, that's a theme in the New Testament. You know, Satan and his forces captivate people through unbelief and foolishness. Obviously Christians shouldn't watch movies because Jesus said if you look at a woman lustfully, you've committed adultery, and you're going to be lusting after the women on the screen. Jesus Christ is King of Kings.